In this video, you'll learn how to add widgets to the home screen on your Google Pixel device. This process allows you to customize your home screen with useful information and shortcuts from your favorite apps. To begin, press and hold an empty space on your home screen. This action will trigger a menu to appear at the bottom of the screen. From the options that show up, tap on Widgets. This section contains all the available widgets from the apps you have installed on your device. Once you select the Widgets option, you will see a list of widgets organized by app. Scroll through this list to find the widget that you want to add to your home screen. Take your time to explore the various widgets available, as they can enhance the functionality of your device. After locating the desired widget, tap and hold it to pick it up. While holding, drag it to the desired location on your home screen. You can place it where there is empty space. Some widgets may require additional setup once they are placed, such as selecting specific data to display. Make sure to adjust the size if necessary by dragging the edges of the widget. Once you have positioned the widget and finalized its size, take a moment to organize your home screen layout. You can move or resize the widget to create a more visually appealing arrangement. If you decide that the widget is no longer needed, you can remove it by dragging it to the top of the screen where the remove option will appear. This helps maintain a clean and organized home screen. Your widget is now successfully added to the home screen, providing you with quick access to the information you find most useful. This customization enhances your overall user experience on your Google Pixel device. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.